Step up in the classroom like we're ready for calculus. All these students hating cause we're so fabulous. They know that we're beasts, yeah, at those derivatives. But little did we know.
Looking at the board and we don't understand. Miss Lissy's up there doing everything that she can. This formal definition doesn't seem to be working. Great, we're gonna end up failing.
I can't believe it, it's so confusing. This stuff is pointless, my time is wasting. I can't believe it, this math is crazy. I can't believe it, I can't believe it. Hey, help us out, help us out.
Help us out, help us out.
Help us out, help us out. Help us out, help us out.
Help us out, help us out.
Yeah, we need some tutoring now. Help us out, help us out.
Help us out.
Waking up for tutoring while the moon is still out. We jump out of bed and we start to freak out. We rush to get ready cause we looking fugly. Then we get to school, get out the car all clumsy. Student teachers teaching, we're asking why? They got a new way to differentiate my, oh my. Just listen to me, you don't need to ask why. You just gotta see with your eyes.
I can't believe it, it's so amazing. This trick is easy, it's innovative. I can't believe it, this math is simple. I can't believe it, I can't believe it.
Hey, check it out, check it out.
Check it out, check it out.
Check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out.
Check it out, check it out.
Yeah, I'm feeling it now. Check it out, check it out.
Check it out.
Check this formula out.
It got me in the class, just passing these tests. Oh. Derivative is a limit as h approaches O equals f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. New formula, yes, we would love when y is n x up and minus 1. Take y equals 2x squared minus 1. Plug it in and you're bound to get the right one. 4x, man, you'll never get the wrong one.
Got the chain product and the quotient rule? I mean, what? Forget that calculus. What, the first test or the second test? And I don't understand any of the rest. I just throw down these tests like I run this. Y equals sine x plus 36?
This is coming at you ultra mathematics.
Oh, we're gonna correct it. That 46 just ain't gonna cut it. We're in class after school, what a bummer. Getting half those points, that'll get our score higher.
We are big ballers, y'all are all slackers. Step up to our level, y'all should study a little harder. Hey, AP test, get up off my collar. You a chihuahua, I'm a Rottweiler.
I can't believe it. Hey guys, we did it. I can't believe it. This test is done with. I can't believe it. Hey guys, we did it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Hey, check us out. Check us out.
Check us out, check us out.
Check us out. Check us out. Check us out. Check us out.
We're walking out, walking out.
Yeah, we're done with cactus for now.
We're walking out, we're walking out.
Feet. I love feet. No, actually I don't. Feet are really gross.